Coriolis Flow Meters. Types and everything you need to know. In this video, we take an in-depth look at Coriolis Flow Meters. Key topics include: what is a Coriolis Flow Meter? How a Coriolis Flow Meter works. Types of Coriolis Flow Meters. Coriolis Flow Meter installation. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a Coriolis Flow Meter? Chapter 2. How a Coriolis Flow Meter works. How a Coriolis Flow Meter works. Principle and design. Exciter. Electrodynamic sensors. Phase shift. Meter controller. The core parameters and functionalities typically provided by a Coriolis Flow Meter include: Chapter 3. What are the different types of Coriolis Flow Meters? Types of Coriolis Flow Meters. Single tube Coriolis Flow Meter. Dual tube Coriolis Flow Meter. Continuous loop Coriolis Flow Meter. Straight tube Coriolis Flow Meter. U-shaped Coriolis Flow Meter. Microbend Coriolis Flow Meter. Triangle-shaped Coriolis Flow Meter. How to select the best Coriolis Flow Meter for your application. Frequently asked questions. What is a Coriolis Flow Meter and how does it measure flow? Why choose a Coriolis Flow Meter over a volumetric flow meter? What are the main types of Coriolis Flow Meters available? How do Coriolis Flow Meters maintain high accuracy in challenging industrial environments? Which industries benefit most from Coriolis Flow Meters? What factors should be considered when selecting a Coriolis Flow Meter? Chapter 4. What are the best practices for installing Coriolis Flow Meters? Coriolis Flow Meter installation. Planning process. Orientation. Positioning. Calibration. Chapter 5. What types of readings does a Coriolis Flow Meter provide? Readings provided by a Coriolis Flow Meter. Mass flow. Density. Viscosity. Process temperature effect. Chapter 6. What are the benefits of using a Coriolis Flow Meter? Benefits of Coriolis Flow Meters. Accuracy. Adaptability. Flow effect. Viscosity. Theta. Bidirectional flow measurement. Unique fluid measurement. Food production. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right Coriolis Flow Meter manufacturers for your needs.